Well, as you can see, there's no engine crane anywhere, so that would mean that the motor is officially in the car. Turns out that I was having an issue with it because, as you can see right down here where the oil pan is, the oil pan kept bumping into the steering rack. See? What ended up happening was that I had to actually, at first I had the car completely on the ground, but that was the wrong way of doing it. According to a suggestion from my friend Phil, told me that you have to put it on jack stands because when you put the motor in the car, you have to have it at kind of an extreme angle in order to clear that steering rack. So what ended up happening was like I put it on jack stands and I had to make a trip back and forth up, above the car, under the car, in order to wiggle the transmission in through the steering rack. But once you get it done, it was all smooth as butter. Anyways, I am done.